His last fight prior to this year was a sort of ho-hum fight against Stephen Thompson at MSG. Nowhere near the main event. And then he repackages himself, he comes out, he fights Darren Till in enemy territory, he knocks out Darren Till, 3-piece Minnesota, all that stuff, backstage, it helps him, he knocks out Ben Askren.
And USADA and the UFC did come to an agreement in principle on August 31st to add thresholds, including for the one that, for the substance that Nate Diaz tested positive for. There was a meeting in California, like a week before this, that discussed thresholds. Jeff Nowitzki was on those types of things.
Yeah, this idea that the UFC wanted him out of this fight is ludicrous.
Right.
Now, what I find to be endearing is the fact that he didn't want to live with a secret, right? He's like, no.
Oh, yeah.
You're telling me, hey, someone probably said, hey, we're going to figure this out. This happened. We're going to figure it out. Stand by. He's like, no, I'm not.
Kör då för fan. Ser du att jag står här? Men alltså, du på riktigt eller?
On opponents, but I'm not going to kind of share anything here on this show.
You can if you want.
I know, but I think a deal is imminent. I don't see anything getting in the way, barring some unforeseen.
Kunde du gissa rätt? Sa Brummelisa.
Jävla stjärnskott. Men kör då! Kör! Du kan för fan, du får
Ni vet det här med
blinka ut och köra förbi. Kör! Du är inte en jävla lastbil alltså. Wow. Fan, det som händer? Varför stannade han för? Vad är det här stjärnan nu? Wow.
But when I hit him with the overhand, I could tell he was rocked. So there was no reason to step back. And I just kept going off on him.
Yeah, he did look.
Everyone's got a punch and shot, and within a 3-month cycle, all of a sudden, there's a new star that just happens to all of a sudden start shining. And
do I even know what?
Do you even know when that event in France might be?
No, I don't have no idea.
Okay, so
No idea at all.
in a perfect world, when would you fight next, and who would you fight next? What's up to you? Basically, what do you want? What's the answer?
I want Steven.
Next.
I want Steven.
You can have
I don't think so. But as you said, the perfect world.
Right.
I mean, if things make sense. I would say Steven. But since I can't have, it seems like I'm not gonna have Steven. Then I just want to fight. I just want to stay active.
Husmusen låg alldeles vimmelkantig på marken och kunde inte resa sig. Ja, jag får bära hem honom, tänkte jag, som tog musen i svansen och traskade iväg med honom.
Kör eller?
Snälla Jansson, ät inte upp mig, ät inte upp mig. Det är husmusen. Det är klart att jag inte gör. Skalman tog upp en pilbössa ur
Vad gör den
skalet,
här människan?
band en lina om pilen och sköt iväg den. Pilen flög in över Bamses huvud och fastnade i dörren. Han drog in linan och tänkte: jag förstår vad som finns i andra ändar. Jag litar på Skalman. Och